Hey everybody, welcome to another Pro Acoustics Tech Talk. I'm Nathan. Today we're going to talk all about the Pure Resonance Audio MX84 multi-zone mixer and some of the accessories that can go along with it. All right, so the Pure Resonance Audio MX84 is a 4-zone mixer with 8 channels that is rack mountable, and it's a versatile solution for basically like an analog multi-zone type configuration. It provides very simple, easy to use controls, big round knobs, push buttons for assignment that are very simple to understand and to operate. Has 4 zone outputs. These are balanced outputs with 2-band EQ on them. That means that you do have a high and a low on your output channels, as well as some basic EQ on the inputs. You have signal indicator lights to make sure you don't overdrive your outputs, as well as peak and signal lights on your inputs as well. Very simple to use, very simple to understand and to operate. It does have 8 channels. The first 4 are XLR or 1/4 inch with a built-in priority input on input 1, as well as stereo RCA inputs on your other 4, as well as 1/4 inch TRS. So a wide variety of input sources can be plugged in there. You also do have some additional gain control on each of those inputs. That means we can turn up or down a line or mic level signal as needed. And then also have phantom power on at least the first 2 channels for any condenser microphones that you might need or that kind of thing. And that also means that you can have phantom power and priority ducking on, say, a condenser microphone for priority paging, that kind of thing. If those inputs are not enough for you, we also do have the remote mic that can also be used here. That is the MX8-PM. PM is for paging mic. And this is a really cool unit. It connects with conventional RJ45 connectors, so basically network cable, Cat5, Cat6, and that'll wire into this device and then on its own port, and that allows you to individually page to all 4 zones or just to a single zone, or any combination of those zones, and also has a built-in chime for kind of emergency alerts or whatever you might need for that purpose as well. Very simple, built rock solid, very tough, and a adjustable dual gooseneck, in fact, so that you can put the mic wherever you need it very simply and easily. That is a 17-inch long gooseneck, so you're not bending over too terribly far to make your announcements as well. And that does have ducking as well that will lower your other inputs so that you can page overhead, like in the grocery store when they say somebody so-and-so come to the front desk and the music lowers down, you can easily add that to your system using this paging mic. Beyond the paging mic, we also have the MX8-WP. WP means wall plate, so this is a remote wall plate in a sleek 2-gang box with stereo RCA and an XLR input on it. You know it's up and running when you have the power light on, and you can adjust the level of your signal coming through here. So that basically gives you the option to connect a remote music source or a remote microphone in addition to the inputs that you have here on the mixer itself. That also connects with just a standard RJ45, so network cable, and you can put this wherever you need and plugs right back into the Ethernet connection on the back of the unit here. Once again, this is a analog unit, not networkable, so you don't need to worry about actually connecting it to Wi-Fi or anything along those lines. But very simple to use, looks nice, clean and clear. And basically this helps to fill a void where we need 4-zone or multi-zone applications, but we don't necessarily want to dive into a DSP that might be a little bit more complicated to program. Like I mentioned, very popular because it's very easy to see. You want one input to go into all 4 zones, just pop in your buttons to zone assign that input to that area. So very simple, use them a lot in warehouses or factories and kind of your more industrial type applications. Also sports complexes, be able to page to this baseball field of the quadplex or this field way over there very simply. With these 4 zone outputs, we can route that to a 70 volt or low impedance amplifier as needed. So really it kind of expands our different options when putting together an entire package. Also use these a lot in like hotels or restaurants to be able to send different audio to different areas. So this is a neat product we're very excited about and using in some of our different applications for you. If we can help with anything, definitely reach out to us. A link is down below, www.proacousticsusa.com. Drop us a like, follow us so you can stay up to date on when we do more videos. And until next time, guys, I'm Nathan. Take it easy.